Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make strawberry cheesecake. And in this bowl I have a cup of graham crackers, 3 teaspoons of butter, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. So I'm gonna mix them together until it's sunny. So you see how grainy and sunny it is. Then I'm gonna add it to my pan over here. And guys, you remember to wash your hands when you're doing this. And then I'm gonna press it against the side so you can have a little bit come up on the side. Press it as even as you can. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be mixing my cream cheese. I have 5 cream cheese in the bowl, and I have a cup and a half of sugar. So now I'm gonna pour my sugar in, and I'm gonna cream my cream cheese and the sugar together. And you're gonna turn it on low first, just to get everything together. And guys, you have to put your cream cheese out to let it come to room temperature, and it will be easier to mix. Make sure everything is at room temperature. Okay guys, we're gonna get the eggs going now. So we need 8 eggs for this recipe, and I'm going to take out the eyes. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add in my 8 eggs to the cream, butter and cream cheese. So I'm gonna have my mixer on, and I'm gonna drop them one by one. Now I'm gonna stop the machine, and I'm gonna scrape down my sides of my mixer. Start up the machine again, and I'm gonna do it when I have all my 8 eggs inside. Okay, I'm gonna stop the machine again, and I'm gonna scrape the side of my mixer. Now I'm gonna get my sour cream ready, and I'm gonna put my graham crackers in the oven for 10 minutes. The oven is set at 350, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes so it can cool down. Okay. I'm gonna set my for 10 minutes. Okay guys, I just washed my lemon and I dry it, so I'm gonna grate a little zest to cut the rawness from the eggs. So now I'm finished grating my lemon, and I have 2 teaspoons of flour in my dish with the lemon, so I'm gonna add it to my mix. I'm gonna add it in my mixer. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and half a cup of sour cream. And now I'm gonna turn on my mixer and give it the final mix. Again, and give it another stir. So that we have everything together. You mix the side of your bowl, of your mixing bowl. My crumb crackers is smelling very nice. We have another 2 minutes to go. So I'm gonna give it another stir. Okay guys, so our graham crackers is already baked. I put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and now I'm ready to add my filling. And my filling is here, nice and smooth. So I'm going to add it to my pan, and this is a 9-inch pan. And guys, I want you to like, share and subscribe for you to get more of my baking tips I have and my nice recipe. I have a lot more to come. I'm going to be making toto next week. I have a friend who asked me for that recipe, so I'm going to do that next week. And now I'm going to put it in my oven. I'm going to put it on 10 minutes at 500, and I'm going to cut it down after 10 minutes and put it at 200 for 1 hour. So now I'm going to be adding it to the pan to get any little air bags inside. So now I'm going to add it to my oven, and it's going to be there for 10 minutes, and then I cut down the temperature. Okay guys, so now my cheesecake is finished. I took it out of the oven and it was in the fridge after it was finished baking. So now I'm gonna be decorating it, okay? I'm gonna remove it from the pan. If you could see how nice it is. Now I'm gonna take it from I'm gonna put it on this. I'm gonna transfer it over. Okay guys, I'm gonna start putting my cheesecake, my strawberry on the cheesecake. I'm gonna give them like a slice difference. Okay guys, so this is the final look before I put the glaze on. I'm gonna put the glaze on just just now. Okay guys, I'm getting on my glaze. I'll be going around on my strawberry just to get them set first. And guys, you can like, share and comment so you can have more of my videos, or you can see more of my videos out. I would like to hear from you guys.